Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI with the latest chatbot from AI, Grok 3. This powerful AI led by Elon Musk is set to redefine artificial intelligence, bringing enhanced reasoning, improved responses, and a whole new user experience. If you are curious about what Grok 3 can do, and how to use it, stick around because this tutorial has everything you need to get started. So let's explore what is Grok 3. Grok 3 is the latest version of the AI chatbot developed by xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk. It is designed to compete with ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI models, offering real-time knowledge and witty engaging responses. So how you can access Grok 3? Go to x.ai and click on Try Now. Here you will get the option to sign in and sign up. To sign in, click on Sign In button. X.ai will verify your account and then it will ask you to sign in through your X account, that is your Twitter account, your Google account, or your Apple account. So here I will use my Google account to sign in. Once you are signed in, it will open the AI chat interface for you, where you will start chatting with Grok 3 by typing your questions and prompts. Here you will select the different models of Grok, such as Grok 3 and Grok 2. You can enable and disable search from here as well. You can get different options here like research, brainstorm, analyze data, create images, and code. So let's get started. So let's ask a question from it. My question is, can you explain black holes in simple terms? Press enter and you can see how quickly it has answered. It has used the simple terms that are easy to understand and easy to read for a common user. Now let's ask for a syntax error. My question is, why am I getting a syntax error in this Python code? So I will write an example code here and press enter. As you can see, it has explained you are getting a syntax error because there is a missing closing parenthesis in your print statement. Now let's check how we can summarize an article using Grok 3. My prompt is summarize this article for me in 3 bullet points. So I will give here an article link. Let's see how it can summarize it. Because it is a quite lengthy article of around 20 web pages. It has summarized it into 3 bullet points within a matter of seconds. Alright, now let's ask it to create a social media post. Generate a social media post about the future of AI. Now click enter. Alright, so it has created a copy with the hashtags. Let's ask it to create the image as well. Click on Create Images and write your prompt here. Alright, draw graphics for a social media post on the future of AI. Click enter. As you can see, it has created the realistic images for you. Now let's zoom it in. It has a good quality and it is very realistic. You can check the features of the face here. Now let's check these suggestions. With glowing circuits, let's see what it does with the images. So it has done a great job. It has added a touch of technology and AI to these images. And you can see how realistic these images are. So there you have it. Grok 3 is an exciting new AI tool with a lot to offer. Whether you are using it for work, learning, or just for fun, it brings a fresh perspective to AI chatbots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.